In a follow-up, Davis County Community Schools is expected to reopen tomorrow. A confirmed case of whooping cough canceled classes at the Southern Iowa District last Friday. Doctors say parents shouldn't wait to take action, as symptoms can take up to 2 weeks to appear.
It's cough, you can have a mild, you can have temperature. It's sometimes hard to see the difference between pertussis and flu. It's just the issue is that usually the flu will go away after a period of time and your cough with pertussis will just continue and continue.
Doctors urge anyone exposed to whooping cough and experiencing symptoms to contact their medical provider right away. They say early treatment is critical to preventing serious, potentially life-threatening complications, particularly for young children.